Hi and welcome to CB Clicksale. In this video I am briefly going to cover our newly added feature, that being Prospects Capture, which allows you to easily set up landing pages for the purpose of building your email list in return for offering bonuses from the CB catalog, all done within minutes. As you can see, the previous items for creating campaigns for affiliate sales and access to stats has been pushed below on the members homepage. We're planning on adding some further features in the very near future, and as such you can expect further changes to the graphical user interface. Okay, let's get started. Simply click on the Add New button and add the title for your prospect campaign in the same way as you create affiliate campaigns. Once done, click OK. You'll see that the list will automatically be refreshed with displaying the latest prospect campaign at the top. Next, we need to edit the prospect campaign with adding the necessary details in order to make it active. Therefore, you need to select it from the list and click Edit, which takes us to the Prospects Assignment form. In step 1, you can edit the prospect campaign title as well as the URL location for redirect after successful sign-up to your email list. Leaving it blank will display the default. In step 2, you will need to add your autoresponder. It's the same process as for affiliate campaigns, and again, we recommend that you use the post data integration method. Setting that up is explained in detail in training video 2. Now clicking on Assign and selecting the autoresponder from the list, and now adding it to the prospect campaign. Next, we are going to add our bonuses as part of step 3. It's important to understand that for prospect campaigns, you first need to create a package and then add bonuses to that package. That way, you can provide many free bonuses to your list over a long period of time, in addition to the sign-up bribe for a free bonus which you would provide on your landing page. Now, click on the Add Package button. Now, enter a title. One good example would be to choose the date number if it is related to an autoresponder sequence. Now, click Save to add it to your prospect campaign. Once done, we can now add bonuses to each of our packages. First, highlight the package from the top grid as shown. Next, click on the Add Bonus button to display the pop-up for selection. For this demo, I'm just going to pick a random one and assign it to the prospect campaign as shown. Now added, let's exit the bonus selection form. And that's it. We have completed the minimum setup for a prospect campaign. The final step now is to copy the relevant code to your landing page where your email opt-in is, and also the link for your email messages for your readers to click on in order to claim the bonuses. As you can see from the top box, you have a choice of two. The first being the actual email opt-in code for your website landing page. The second is a test email opt-in form which we will use right now. All you need to do is copy the URL to your browser as shown. And here you can see the test opt-in form. I'm simply going to add a name and email and click Submit. And as you can see, it's now processing the data. In the background, it's adding the details to your CB Clicksale account, as well as passing it onto your autoresponder. Once done, it will redirect to a page of your choice or to the default confirmation page as shown. The next step will be to provide the download link to your subscriber via email. To do that, use the lower box as shown with selecting the download package. As shown, you have a choice of direct or logon URL. In this case, I'm going to select the direct link with copying it to my browser. And here it is. You will notice that at the end of the link there is a caption which states Insert Here, as you can see in Notepad. In order to make this a direct link, you need to replace that with the email address from your list. Pretty much all autoresponders provide the ability to print out the email address onto your email. So in this case, all you need to do is place the link and the email shortcode together in order to form the direct URL to the bonus. And now pasting in the direct link into the browser. And as you can see, it takes you straight to the download page. Now back in CB Clicksale, you can see the difference between the direct and logon URL, that being the get URL parameter for email. Another important thing to note is the get URL parameter labeled key, which is essential in order for the user to access the correct bonus package. And once more, here is the email parameter which is appended when using the direct URL. Just keep in mind that you have to replace the insert here with the actual email address which you place from within your autoresponder using shortcode which applies. Now I'm going to copy the logon URL to my browser. And this time enter the email address into the form. And as you can see, if the email is correct, it will then redirect to the download page. where the user can download the bonuses directly, noting that CB Clicksale does of course track all of the statistical data for you to access. As a quick recap, let's add another package to our prospects campaign. To do that, click on Add Package. Give it a name, click Save. Now select the newly created package from the list, click Add Bonus, and now choose one from the catalog. In this case, let's go for affiliate marketing. Running a query, and now selecting one from the list with adding it to the prospect campaign as shown. And done. All we need to do now is provide the download link to the user, and as before you can choose between direct or logon URL. This time I'm going to pick the second package which we just created. Now imagine these bonuses could be provided days after a user has signed up to your list. Now copying the direct URL to Notepad, noting that I will replace the insert here with the email address from the signee, that being the email address from your list. And now copying the URL to my browser. And as you can see, we have bypassed the logon page when the email parameter is provided within the bonus URL. As you can see, this new feature has awesome potential for you to build your prospect list, a list which you can promote products such as your CB affiliate campaigns and more. As the old saying goes, the money is in your list. In the very near future, we plan on adding some more very cool features to CB Clicksale, hence a lot more to follow. Should you have any questions or need help, please email helpdesk at support@cbclicksale.com or alternatively place a support ticket at www.support.cbclicksale.com. Thank you for listening. Here is to your success.